When it comes to maintaining your Toyota Tacoma, one of the most important components to consider is the spark plug. Spark plugs play a crucial role in ensuring the proper functioning of your engine by igniting the air-fuel mixture in the combustion chamber. If you're looking to improve fuel efficiency, enhance engine performance, or just ensure smoother operation, selecting the best spark plugs is essential. Number 1. NGK Iridium 9 Spark Plugs. NGK is a brand synonymous with quality and reliability in the automotive industry. The NGK Iridium 9 spark plug is highly regarded for its durability and exceptional performance. Designed to fit a variety of vehicles, the Iridium 9 series is perfect for Toyota Tacoma owners looking to enhance their engine's efficiency. These spark plugs are engineered with precision to provide consistent ignition, fuel efficiency, and long-lasting performance. Iridium is known for its resistance to wear and corrosion, ensuring that these spark plugs can handle extreme temperatures and pressures. As a result, you can expect fewer misfires, better acceleration, and improved fuel economy. If you're driving a Toyota Tacoma with higher mileage, the NGK Iridium 9 is a perfect choice for restoring engine power and optimizing combustion. Key features. Material: made with iridium, a metal that is more durable than platinum, ensuring longer lifespan and enhanced performance. Pre-gapped: the spark plugs are pre-gapped to reduce the risk of installation errors and improve performance immediately after installation. High durability: the iridium tip helps to resist wear and corrosion, which allows the spark plugs to last longer even under harsh driving conditions. Improved fuel efficiency: the precise ignition ensures better combustion, improving fuel economy and overall engine performance. Perfect fit for Toyota Tacoma, the spark plugs are engineered to match the specific requirements of the Toyota Tacoma engine for optimal performance. Number 2. Denso Iridium Power Spark Plugs. Denso is another leading brand in the spark plug industry, and their Iridium Power Spark Plugs are known for their precision and performance. These plugs are specifically designed to improve engine power and reduce fuel consumption, making them a top choice for Toyota Tacoma owners. Denso's innovative design uses an iridium center electrode to deliver a more powerful spark, which results in better fuel combustion. Denso Iridium Power Spark Plugs are engineered to last longer than traditional spark plugs, meaning you can expect fewer replacements and reduced maintenance costs. The enhanced ignitability and faster starting time also make them an excellent option for those who want to ensure their Toyota Tacoma is always ready to hit the road. Key features. Iridium center electrode: the use of iridium offers superior durability and better performance under high temperatures. Faster starting: the spark plug's advanced design ensures quicker ignition and reduces engine start-up times. Fuel economy: enhanced spark production leads to more efficient combustion, improving fuel economy and reducing emissions. Durability: Denso spark plugs are designed to handle high engine temperatures, ensuring long-term performance. Corrosion resistant: Denso's patented technology helps prevent the spark plug from corrosion, ensuring a longer lifespan. Number 3. Bosch Platinum Plus for spark plugs. Bosch is a well-known name in automotive parts, and their Platinum Plus for spark plugs are widely praised for their performance and value. Unlike standard spark plugs, the Bosch Platinum Plus for features for ground electrodes that work in unison to provide a more consistent spark. This unique design allows for improved ignition, better throttle response, and enhanced overall engine performance. For Toyota Tacoma owners looking for a spark plug that can offer a significant improvement in engine efficiency and fuel economy, the Bosch Platinum Plus for is a great choice. The spark plugs are designed to offer superior performance even in the most demanding conditions, making them a reliable choice for anyone who takes pride in their Toyota Tacoma's performance. Key features. Quad electrode design. The unique for-ground electrode design ensures a more powerful and consistent spark, improving ignition efficiency. Platinum construction. The platinum center electrode offers better durability and a longer lifespan compared to traditional copper plugs. Improved throttle response. The advanced electrode design improves throttle response and reduces engine hesitation. Enhanced fuel efficiency. Bosch's technology helps improve fuel economy by ensuring more complete combustion of the air-fuel mixture. Longer lifespan. Bosch Platinum Plus for spark plugs are designed for durability and will last longer than standard spark plugs, reducing the need for frequent replacements. Number for AC Delco Professional Iridium Spark Plugs. AC Delco, a brand trusted by vehicle owners worldwide, offers the professional Iridium spark plugs, designed for exceptional engine performance and longevity. These spark plugs are ideal for Toyota Tacoma owners who want to maintain their vehicle's performance over time. The Iridium construction ensures that the spark plugs perform consistently under high pressure and high temperature conditions. Delco's Iridium spark plugs feature a precision ground electrode, which provides more accurate sparks and ensures better fuel combustion. This translates into improved power, smoother acceleration, and better fuel economy. If you're looking for reliability, durability, and performance, AC Delco Professional Iridium spark plugs are a solid choice. Key features. Iridium tip. The Iridium construction ensures the spark plug can handle extreme temperatures and pressures, offering long-term reliability. Precision design. AC Delco uses advanced technology to create spark plugs with precision ground electrodes for better fuel combustion. Superior engine performance. Enhanced ignition results in smoother acceleration and increased power. Longer service life. The Iridium material significantly extends the lifespan of the spark plug, requiring fewer replacements. High temperature resistance. AC Delco spark plugs are designed to withstand the high temperatures common in modern engines, ensuring consistent performance. Number 5. Autolite Iridium XP Spark Plugs. Autolite is another trusted brand that offers the Iridium XP spark plugs for those seeking improved engine performance in their Toyota Tacoma. These spark plugs feature a fine wire Iridium center electrode and a platinum enhanced ground electrode, which together provide exceptional spark durability and performance. Autolite's Iridium XP spark plugs offer improved throttle response, smoother idling, and enhanced fuel efficiency. Designed with the latest technology, the Iridium XP spark plugs are an excellent choice for Toyota Tacoma owners who want to experience a significant boost in engine performance without breaking the bank. With these plugs, you can expect fewer misfires, better acceleration, and more efficient fuel consumption. Key features. Iridium center electrode. The Iridium center electrode ensures superior spark performance, allowing for quicker and more complete combustion. Platinum enhanced ground electrode. This combination of platinum and iridium enhances durability and spark consistency. Improved throttle response. The spark plugs are designed to provide quicker ignition, resulting in better acceleration and smoother idling. Better fuel economy. Efficient combustion helps to reduce fuel consumption, saving you money at the pump. Longer life. The advanced materials used in the construction of these spark plugs ensure they last longer than traditional spark plugs. Conclusion. Choosing the best spark plugs for your Toyota Tacoma can make a significant difference in the performance, efficiency, and longevity of your vehicle. Each of the spark plugs mentioned in this guide offers a unique set of features that can enhance your driving experience. Whether you prioritize fuel economy, acceleration, or engine longevity, there is an option for every type of driver.